That's the sound of the air tool combo kit. Just kidding, that's me just blowing off the table. But you should get yourself an air tool combo kit. So hop on board and come along for the ride as we break down a really awesome tool that we sell on our website and how it can help you. First up is this viair tire inflator, which has the option for either a digital or analog pressure gauge. Next up, you're gonna find a pistol grip blowgun. As well, you're gonna get 20 feet of air tool hose, and if you think that that's not enough hose, well, trust me, me and Wilson have proved it is. And finally, we have the male air tool coupler. This is what's gonna connect all of these tools to your tank. Now this fitting comes in 1/4 inch, so if you are looking to use it with a 3/8 inch port, you are gonna have to grab additional fittings like a 3/8 to 1/4 inch reducer. And don't forget, you even get these 2 really awesome fancy carrying cases. To go grab yourself one, head over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop.